From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
Good morning, it's Crypto Mornings here on LA with your top 10 crypto picks for 2021. All the top cryptocurrencies I recommended to you on Thursday are up today. The entire cryptocurrency market is down 8%, and there's literally nearly no coins trading up currently as of 10:30 a.m., with the exception of which, the coins I recommended. We're doing well, and these are your top cryptocurrency picks of 2021, the top coins I recommended on Wednesday, and they're up again today in a sea of a market where everything else is down once again. This is LALATE. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. We do a live show in the morning, a tape show in the afternoon, and then an overnight show, 9 hours, with a live chat in which I interact and answer your questions. And as a new feature starting today, I'll be answering your questions in the second half of this live recording. So jump into the live chat, but first, let's go over the details. Let's talk about where we are this morning and where we were earlier in the week. On Thursday, I recommended Polygon. We'll check in where it is today. On Wednesday, I recommended Aave, and we'll see where that is. And KUSAMA, I recommended CARDANO. Here is the surprise across the board, is that when we look at KUSAMA, Aave, and Polygon, they are three of the only coins in the market this morning that are up. It's incredible, great news. Let's jump into the split screen right off the bat. Good morning, how are you? This is LALATE, and over to my left is a split screen with CoinMarketCap.com. CoinMarketCap.com lists all the cryptocurrencies you can choose and pick. And I've given you picks, and guess what? I'm not moving on my picks. It's a little bit different when choosing cryptocurrency than stocks because you have less cryptocurrencies to choose than stocks. And ultimately, my philosophy on picking cryptocurrencies is the following. I want to buy it, and I want it to go up, and I want it to continue to go up. I'm not here to buy a coin that goes down for 5 days and then suddenly upticks. Moreover, the coins I recommend are not relatively that volatile. They're coins that are either flat or up. There's no down ticking in the coins I want. I want them generally to give me a profitable return right away. And how much of a profitable return? Let's look and see where we were as of Wednesday going into Saturday. But first, let me give you this. There has been clear market trends on when to buy a coin, which I told you going into Friday. And we're seeing that again today, but in a different twist. I told you that generally, cryptocurrency has been trading up very robustly to very top high numbers on early Saturday mornings, and that by about noontime on the Pacific coast, on the West Coast, it starts to downtick, starts to come down, and continually downturns all the way until Sunday. We saw that 2 weeks ago, we saw that yesterday, and we saw that especially clear with coins, which I'm going to go over, like Polygon, which made a run, then pulled down, and then by about 5 o'clock last night was the best point at which to buy Polygon, and then started to uptick again. So let's look and see where we were going into today. On Wednesday, Polygon was 112, and it was up $1.70 by Saturday. That today is referring to a graphic made on Saturday. At that point, it was up a 52% return on your money when I recommended it. We'll check in and see where Polygon is. I still have a 7-day price target for Polygon of $3. Then we'll check into my next pick, which I'm staying with, which is Aave. It was at 516 when I recommended on Wednesday. By Saturday, it was 610, up 19%. I'm giving it a $700 price target. We'll check in on that. KUSAMA, when I recommended on Wednesday, was 450. It went to 604 on Saturday. I have a price target of 700. Viewers were up 34% by then. And Cardano, I recommended on Wednesday at 168. By Saturday, it was a 228, up 35%. Let's jump in the split screen and let's look and see what's going on with the markets. Understand the way we do it on this channel is we look at all coins, all market positions, and we look at when to buy things quickly, fast, with the best price. All right, let's pull up CoinMarketCap.com. If you're at home watching live, do the same. Let's see what's going on with the market. Currently, the market is down 9%. Yesterday, it was down about 4% in the afternoon, down 2% in the morning. So it's being hit really badly this morning. The biggest hit is happening in in the top market capitalization coins. What is market capitalization? Biggest coins, the biggest coins, the most money invested. Number one on market capitalization, Bitcoin. So it tried to get to 60,000 a few days ago, didn't. Got to 50,000, held. Now it's falling down dramatically, down 10% today at 42,000, down 26% for the 7-day. Ethereum similarly tried to got to 4,000, held for, I think it was Friday, and then started to lose gain on Saturday. Just like I told you, Sunday, downturn. It's at 3,000. It may break into the 2,000 range today. Would I buy Ethereum at 2,000? You know, if you bought Ethereum at 2,000 and held it for 5 years, you're going to make a fortune. But I still have my fangs ready out to get it when it gets into the 1,000+ range, 1,900. Yeah, that's very aggressive. But I think it's going to get into the 2,000 range. Okay, so now we get to Cardano. Number 4 market capitalization, ADA. And how is Cardano doing today? Let's pull up our Cardano chart and look and see where Cardano moved and what it has done over the last few days. Cardano had a 1.68 price at Wednesday when I recommended it. On Saturday, it went up to 228. Today, it's at 193. So Cardano lost speed yesterday. And today, it is still up. It's probably up about 15% where I recommended it. So let's see why Cardano pulled back and when it pulled back. Let's pull up the Cardano chart and see what's happening with Cardano. When you look at a 1-day chart, you see the impact. The impact was that Cardano reached a high point of $2.30 on Sunday, and that when it hit that price of 230, it downturned. If you look at the Cardano chart in literally the last hour, it has gone straight down. So if you're fasting Cardano, you want to watch it because you may be able to get it relatively cheap in the next few hours. It is downturning very quickly right at the moment. Will it get to $1.68? I don't know if it will, but it has dropped from 223 in just about an hour or so to now 190. Very substantial drop. All right, let's pull more further down on our market capitalization chart and see who else is making moves today. So right after Cardano is Dogecoin. Dogecoin continues to struggle, and Dogecoin is now is down for the day again. Dogecoin just continues to have problems day after day. Here's my approach to Dogecoin. I want to make money on day one. Some people want to be fans. I'm not saying Dogecoin is not going to make you a lot of money in the long term, but I like to have money right off the bat. How long should you hold a coin? Viewers asked me that question as well. And some viewers last night asked me, should you hold coins long-term, short-term, and can you do both? Absolutely. So you may want to buy an Ethereum in the $2,000 range and hold it for 2-3 years, and you'll absolutely make a fortune on it. Or you may want to just buy a coin for 2 weeks and get out and make a nice 30% return on your money. You may want to buy a coin and have it for 2 months and get right out before crypto winter. What's crypto winter? When the market's going to pull back and it's going to downturn and it's going to be down for a while. So yeah, I would have some coins where they are just a storage of wealth, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, if you get them cheap, and other coins which you can just use for your pure trading short term. So for Dogecoin, I don't like, Dogecoin continues to struggle. It's down 8% today. It's down 2.24. So there you go. It's at 47 cents. For everyone that's making a video about Dogecoin to 65 to $1, it's not heading to $1 anytime in the month of May just yet. It may in the future, but in that period of time, this is what you need to know. Time is money. Time is money. And if you've never been in a bad position, you don't know what that's like. Here's an example. You get into a coin and it's just down for 2 months. Guess what? You don't want to get out of the position potentially. So you're in a down position for 2 months while your friend got in another position that's been up for 2 months. He's made money while you've lost money. So during those 2 months, you made no money. You actually lost money while someone else made money. That is why you should always go into a coin that is upticking consistently, that's going up. I'm not here for a coin that's going down and I'm hoping it's going to be good in 5 years. I want to make money because in those 2 months, I could have made money, gotten out, taken my profits, and gone into something else. I know a lot of people, trust me, that got into Dogecoin at 1, 2, 3 cents, cashed out at 70 cents on that Saturday before Saturday Night Live, went in with 3 figures, got out with 6 figures, and went and bought a house. And now are going to flip the house and make bigger, maybe almost 7 figures on the house. So that's how you take your money and make more money on it. Don't have your money in an asset that's going down consistently day after day, and don't go into an asset that goes down day after day. All right, that brings us to the rest of the coins in the top 10 of market capitalization. It's just a sea of red. Sea of red is my expression to refer to the 7-day is down and the 1-day is down, meaning it's red. Green is up. And so I have coin after coin all across the board I'm looking at. It's just down, down, down. It's a bad day. It's a bad day. But that's why you stay with me, because why? When you look at Solana, which was one of the coins I recommended, guess what? Solana is up. I mean, here we go. In a day in which you look at market cap, coin market cap, and you see just coin after coin down 7 days, down 24 hours. Guess what? The coins I've been detailing on this channel are up again today, and were up yesterday. That's how you want to deal with it. So last night in the live chat, someone asked me about Solana, which I've covered day after day. I've never made a recommendation on Solana, but I've said, God, it's just doing really well. It's up 2% today. It's up 7% for the 5-day. Day after day, Solana continues to deliver. Small increments. We like even small gains. It doesn't have to be abrupt gains. And then that brings us to number 17, Polygon. There we go, number 17 on market capitalization, Polygon. Now, this one's a fascinating one, and I want to go over the chart with you slowly on this one. But Polygon is up today and up for the 7-day. We do it great on this channel. Everything I'm recommending is up, up, up. So let's go to Polygon, and let's see how Polygon has moved. So Polygon on Wednesday, when I recommended, was $1.12. Boy, I wish a lot of people had gotten it that day. Because why? By Saturday, it went to 170, which was a 52% return on your coin. No one is getting any type of returns for anything like that on YouTube for viewers in just 4 or 5 days. This channel is just killing it on daily returns. So Polygon went to $1.70. Here's what happened with Polygon on Saturday. It went up even higher on Saturday, and then it pulled down on Saturday. By Sunday night, there was a spot at which you could have maybe bought it at 149. Yeah, I know you're going to say 149. Yeah, it went to 150 for just a blink. And today it's up to 166. That's an example of aggressive following the chart. What you should have done if you were interested in Polygon based upon watching my videos is you should have stayed on that chart on Sunday. This is what you would have seen across the board. If you had been watching the videos on this channel Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you say, I like Polygon, I want to get into it. And I told you, be aggressive to get into it. I told you, coins go up on Saturday morning, go down Sunday afternoon, go down Sunday, and then start to pick up on Sunday night and go up on Monday. Well, guess what? That's exactly what happened with Polygon. Let me show you how you could have priced Polygon really well. Polygon went to $1.77, actually almost $1.80 on Sunday. But also on Sunday, it went as low as, let me find how low it was, 150. So you could have bought Polygon late yesterday, and it was only there for about a half an hour at 150, and now have it, and then watch it go to 170. And so then where is it right now? So let's look at where Polygon is right now. Right now it's at 167. So you could be up nearly 17 cents on a dollar coin in just 4 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. It's just that's how we price things. That's how we price things. And again, Polygon is up 6% for the day, 76% for the 7-day. Again, it remains a pick of this channel. I'm not moving across the board on that one. Let's pull out. And next brings us to my next pick, which was Aave. Aave, let's see where Aave is doing. Spoiler alert, Aave's up again. Aave is a more expensive coin, but just because it's expensive doesn't mean you can't make a profit on it. Now, Aave did not do as good a run because it pulled back on, I think it was on Friday, On Friday, it pulled back, and then it started to run up again. So when I recommend Aave on Wednesday, it was 516. On Saturday, it went to 610. Then it pulled back. But even at that point, it was a 19% return. Where's Aave today? Aave is up 7% right now, up 15% for the day. So it's killing it in the market. It's doing great. But it is up to 534, which compared to a 516 price is about 10%, about 15%. It's good. It's a stable coin. It doesn't have a law of price fluctuation, which is great. But it is a stable, uptrending coin. Which brings us then to Shiba. A Shiba is an example of a coin, which certainly in the live chat last night, there were Shiba fans in there. A lot of people love Shiba. And here's what you need to know about Shiba. And this is what's so important when looking at a chart. I had one follower send me a message yesterday, said, Shiba's up. It was up for like a couple hours on Sunday. Shiba's up. I'm like, yeah, but it's down for the last 9 days. But it's up today. Here's what you need to know, is that if a coin is going down day after day after day after day after day after day and keeps on going down, and then it's up, that up may still be substantially lower than where it was over the last 7 days. And that was the case of Shiba. That if you looked at just the movement of 24 hours, you'd be celebrating, oh, we're up 6%. Yeah, but you're still down 60% from where you bought it at, a week ago. Now, some people are fans of Shiba, again, for the same reason they're fans of Doge. I believe it's going to go to 1 cent and then I'll make a killing. Good. In the meantime, I'd rather make a killing this week. I don't want to wait a month. I don't want to wait 2 months. I don't want to wait 3 months. I want to make a killing now. I want to make my money now, and I want to wait around. And guess what? Shiba's down. Shiba's chart has been down for day after day after day. So would I buy into Shiba? No, I wouldn't buy into Shiba. I don't want coin that continually goes down. I want to make money on day one. I want cash flow positive day one on my coins. And then that brings us to KUSAMA, which of course is later in our broadcast always because it's smaller in market capitalization. It's number 35 in market capitalization. And guess what? KUSAMA is up today and up for the 7th day. How are we doing so far? That's 3 out of 3 so far. 3 out of the first 3 coins are up for the day, and people are still making money. Let's see how we're doing on KUSAMA. So KUSAMA was 450 when I recommended on Wednesday. Then on Saturday, it went to 604, which is a 34% return your money. Today, it is up for the 1 day, 1%, and up 30% for the 7 day. It's at 551. So it is up about $51 from where I recommended it at, which is about 12%. So great, really great news across the board. Is there any other coin in the group where we see green? Where we see a 7-day green and we see a 1 day green. We see Wanchain, which is a very volatile coin, and it is along the lines of a Doge and also Shiba mentality because it's only 2 cents, 3 cents at the moment. It's up 9% for the day, up 32% overall. But Wanchain is a very volatile coin, so it's not a coin I'm going to recommend because its volatility is so severe. If we pull out to top 80 on market capitalization, any coins up both for the 7 and 10 and the 1 day? There's CELO, which is up 24% right now. Not a coin I've ever covered on this channel before. So let's open the graph on CELO and see what we can see on CELO. That's how we do it on this channel. If you don't know how I do it, I'm literally doing a cold read. Meaning I'm not going on a camera and reading off a script. I'm seeing the charts as you see them, so you understand how to interpret them as I interpret them. So CELO, which never covered on this channel, let's look at this chart. Oh, it's a beautiful chart. It has, if we look at the 1 month chart, it has a little bit of a flatness to it. The 7-day chart is a much better chart. It's uptrending a lot. If I look at out of the 3 month chart, do I like the 3 month? No. So let me tell you why I don't like the 3 month chart. Why do I not like the 3 month chart? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Last night, Yaya in the live chat asked me, what is a resistance level? Because I was referring to a resistance level. Resistance level is a terminology. It comes from stock trading, which refers to, imagine a plank of wood you are holding up. And you're bouncing a ball, and the ball keeps on hitting the piece of wood. It doesn't go below the piece of wood because the piece of wood is blocking it. The piece of wood is a resistance level. So here's an example. let's say you're looking at stock. Let's say you're looking at coin. And you're looking at coin, and you just notice it never dips below $100. It tries to get there and then just stops and then goes back up. So it goes 200, 101, 204, 102, 205, 104. It won't below, it has a clear resistance level of $100. That's what we're looking at, resistance level. So what I see on this coin is that it just keeps on going up and down in this resistance level, up, down, up, down. Do I like that? No. Why would I like that? Because you're buying it and it's going to go down probably and then go back up. So is it going like this? No, I'm not going to make money. This is what makes you money. This does not make you money. Up, down, up, down. You're just, you're just trading in a range. It's called a range because it's going in the same range. Up $5, down $5, up $5, down $5. That's not what you want to buy. Now, viewers have asked me a series of questions, and I'm going to jump in the live chat in 1 second. A series of questions they've asked me in the last 24 hours, and let me answer some of those. One, Yaya asked me, is it okay if I'm on different platforms? Because I got one on Gemini and I got another coin on Coinbase. It is likely that if you are investing cryptocurrency this month, that you will be on multiple platforms. There's no way around it. So don't worry about it. It is certainly believed that in the next 5 to 6 months, a lot of the major platforms like Coinbase and Gemini will have most of the top market capitalization coins, so that you won't have to be on multiple platforms. Next, viewers ask me, where do I buy the coins? And let me go over that basic introductory statement. So most major top coins, the coins that have the highest market capitalization, are on tier 1 providers, what I call tier 1 providers. They are Gemini, Coinbase, Robinhood. And which of those do I recommend? I like Gemini a lot. Now, what do you need to sign up? A driver's license and a linked bank account. Some of the applications are only app-based and some are web-based. So Coinbase and Gemini are both web and phone, which is great. And some have different protocols. And so in sign up for one, you may just feel the whole experience doesn't work for you. I like Gemini better. I like Gemini and Coinbase, but they're different. They're better for different perspective reasons. For tier 2 coins, you will have to go to like a crypto.com. So Shiba, you have to go to crypto.com. It's not on Coinbase and it's not on it's not on Gemini. And then tier 3 coins are coins where you really have to like pull up 5 different apps. This app and then that app and that app. A lot of work, like a Huobi token. And with that, let me jump into the live chat and see if you have any questions across the board about any coins you want to know about, any questions you have as to when to get into a coin, and anything about when and how. So there is Diane. I'm buying on 5 different exchanges. There you go. So Diane is seeing that she has to go in different places to get stuff. Diane also said, I just bought a little Polygon last night, your recommendation. Fingers crossed. Wow. So Diane probably pulled up the one-day chart as well. I told viewers last night, and I'll say it again, not today, because I forgot to mention, when you're ready to buy, when you know which coin you're buying, and you're ready to buy, and you're trying to figure out, okay, what price do I think I can get? There's different level of what I call aggressive. If it's trading at $2, can I get it at $1.70? Can I get it at $1.60? Or can I just get it at $1.99? I'm not very aggressive. I'll just get it. I'll get it where it currently is. But some people want to be aggressive. I like you to be aggressive. I like you to be aggressive. Why? Because that sometimes could be a 20% return your money just because you took your time. I want you to take your time on when to buy. It doesn't have to be that day. It doesn't have to be that hour. And if you miss it, don't be frustrated. I know some people are frustrated because they saw Polygon. It dropped down to that 150 for about 2 hours last night. Like, oh, darn, I missed it. And now it's $1.70. Well, don't worry, because it'll go to $1.60 and maybe go back down to $1.50 for 10 minutes today. Moreover, we talked about this live on the live chat last night. Most of the apps allow, or the applications like a Gemini or a Coinbase, allow you to set an alert. And the alert you can set the alert, say, send me a message or text or an alert on my computer when Polygon goes to $1.55, and it'll send that alert. Beep, beep, $1.55. Oh, let me jump in and get ready to buy. And there you go. The other thing that's different about a lot of the platforms is the amount that you have to buy. So some have a $20 minimum purchase. Some have no minimum threshold. Diane, I'm liking Stellar. Yes, I've detailed Stellar. Let me pull up Stellar as well. Stellar was one of those coins which I covered, I believe it was back on Tuesday. I colored Stellar, Nervos, and Stratis. And I've had a lot of people talk about Stellar. It has been stellar. I skipped over it when doing our recap of today. Let's see how Stellar is doing right now. Let me pull it up on the chart. All right, there's Stellar. So Stellar is down today. Let's look at the 7-day chart. So Stellar is suffering the same fluctuation of this Saturday and Sunday bit. If you like Stellar, this is where you have to be very aggressive on price and not passive on price. Why? Because Stellar, I hope you would not have bought it Sunday, which was where it was upturning. It started from about Wednesday at 62 cents and traded all the way up to 77 cents on Sunday. And you would have seen that there was a clear upturn, and then you would have seen a peak. At some point you would have thought, okay, is this going to be a dip or is this going to be a slide? What's a dip? Dip is just for a second and comes back up. It's Polygon last night at 5 o'clock went down 150 for an hour. That's a dip. What's a slide? Shiba. Straight down day after day after day after day. So Stellar, is it on a slide? Yes, it's on a slide. Pull up that 1-day chart. It's on a slide since Sunday at 2:23 a.m. And it was at 79 cents. It is now today at 66 cents. That's a substantial move in a 66 cents coin. What I always remind viewers is that if it's a cheap coin, a 10-cent move can really clamor you, can really hit you. So remember, just because it's cheap, you can also lose money as quickly as you can gain the money. So people say, but I got 500 billion coins of Shiba. Yeah, but you can also lose the money faster because even a small movement on a very cheaply priced coin as opposed to an Aave can be very substantial. Let me jump into the live chat and see some more of your comments right now. ADA, yes. Jacqueline, yes, that's what I was going to ask. Do they have alerts? They do have alerts, and they're all slightly different. I have not mastered the cell phone alerts with them. So I'm looking to see. I have set up the computer alerts, and trust me, they've not so far helped me. So I'm not particularly clear where they send the alert. If they're in the platform or they send the alert in the browser. A lot of browsers you have to have the alert turned on, like Firefox or Internet Explorer. You have to allow your browser to accept an alert. So it depends. It depends on what platform you're doing. Clifford, how you doing? Having fun today? Yes, we're having a lot of fun. ADA, buy or sell. Pricing the market is a very big topic of this channel. And generally Mondays have been up the last few days. But today the market is down 9%. And if you look at the coins across the sea, they're just all down. So would I buy ADA today, right now, or would I wait on ADA? I think that Cardano still remains a pick. It still is a pick. The question is, when is it a pick? Let's pull out on my Cardano graphic when I recommended it on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I recommended Cardano at $1.68. I'm still recommending it. My price target is $3 on Cardano. I think it'll double your money. At Saturday, it went to 228. So where's Cardano right now? Cardano in the last 24 hours went up to 230 on Sunday. And since then, it had a valley, tried to revamp itself, came back at 223. But since 223, it has been down ticking. It's $1.97 right now. So do I like Cardano? Yes. Would I buy Cardano at $1.97? I would be a little bit aggressive. If you look at the one-day chart on ADA, it could potentially go to $1.70 in the next hour or two. $1.70, you're at Wednesday's numbers. And hey, if you get $1.70 at Cardano, grab it. I would grab it. I really, really would. Now, it depends on your aggressiveness. If you don't want to be that aggressive and you want to just get it at, let's see, where is it at now? $1.97. You can try to grab it at $1.80. I still think it's going to go to $3. But again, if you look at this one-day chart, if you have time, I would really price it. And that's how you really make money. That Cardano chart really shows where a coin zoomed on Saturday, as I predicted. Saturday afternoons came down, Sunday afternoon pulled down, and Monday, it's not going up. So of my 4 picks, I still stay with all of them. I stay with Cardano, KUSAMA, Aave, and Polygon. But of those 4, in a market in which all coins are down this morning, nearly all coins, and the market's down 8%, Aave is up today, Polygon is up today, and KUSAMA is up. Polygon and Aave you can get on Gemini. KUSAMA is a tier 2 coin, so not easy to get on more platforms. And Cardano, for some reason, as viewers have already commented in the overnight chat, is not on Gemini, which makes absolutely no sense. So Gemini, if you're listening in, put Cardano on your platform. What are you doing? And with that, thank you for joining me. I'm next back with you live on air for noontime LA, which is 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. No, it'll probably be 11:30 because we're running late today. So I'll be back with you at 11:30 for noontime LA, and then join me for crypto afternoons, evenings, which is at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And then the overnight show, 9 hours of programming starting tonight, live crypto coverage around the clock. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Also like this video. Stay informed, stay focused. Have a great morning. Price the market. Do not be passive. Be aggressive. Take your time on when you're ready to make the purchase. In a downtrending market like it is right now, be aggressive and take your time and ready to price it correctly when you make your purchase.